Hey guys, I got bored and I decided I'm going to make a bike check today. So we'll start with my frame. I have a Colony Phantom frame in purple. My bars are Fit Sky Highs with ODI grips and ODI bar ends. I have a profile acoustic stem. I have a kink headset. That's all with some Odyssey race forks. An Alienation plain black rim with a stock hub still. My tire, I bought it from a friend, I forgot what it was. I have profile 3-piece cranks with some Animal Hamilton pedals. A stock sprocket that I painted with a KMC chain. My back end, I have an Odyssey hazard light for my rim, laced to a profile mini hub. And my seat is a kink seat with a very cut down kink post. And that about does it for my bike. I'm thinking about painting all the white parts flat black. But let me know what you think. My hub is very loud. Thanks for watching my bike check.